Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video we are talking about Digibyte coin. What's the prices goes in Digibyte, what's the currently condition of Digibyte, and what's the bait crash occurs in Digibyte in the previous yesterday friends. So friends, as you can see here, the price of the Bitcoin token, the currently as about 0.108432 USD is the current price of Digibyte at this time friends. And if we look the change occur in the Digibyte in the last 1 hour, so the last 1 hour change is also positive. But if we look the last 1 day, last 1 week change, so the last 1 day, last 1 week change goes very better friend. So absolutely it's a bad news, but here is surprise news for all of you, because now in the last 1 hour at this time they start moving upwards. So it's a good news for all Digibyte holders friends. If you are a holder of Digibyte, so kindly like this video and subscribe my channel, because I will update you every hour from a new cryptocurrency news of Digibyte friends. So before seeing the more details about Digibyte coin, if you don't subscribe, kindly subscribe now friends. Now let's see the price prediction chart of the Digibyte coin friends. First of all, as the surprise is here for all of you. Here is surprise. As you can see here, they goes upward and same like goes like a rocket friends. So that's mean that they take a high jump in the future friends. Now if you look, the price change occur in the last 1 day, but they change as a negative, but soon they become positive friends. Negative 3.95% change occur in Digibyte in the last 1 day. If you look the high price of the Digibyte, so the high price is about 0.120567 USD is the highest price of Digibyte in the period of last 1 day friends. But as you can see here, the change is going in negative, but soon as you can see here, now at this time they take a jump, so soon the change become positive friends. So what's your opinion about Digibyte? My opinion about Digibyte is positive. I think a high jump occurs in the Digibyte in the future. As you can see here, now the currently Digibyte also in the jumping mood, so a very big jump of Digibyte are coming soon. So if you are a holder of Digibyte, so please hold your coin with the last of this month. I hope Digibyte give you a good amount of profit in the last of this month friends. Remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to invest, buy, sell or hold any coin, so please do your own research friend. So anyways, if you don't subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe now for this kind of latest news and updates. And if you have any type of questions, so please comment me. I will try to answer you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video.